In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split Excel data when the delimiter position varies by row. Open Excel and open the workbook containing the mixed data. Look at column A before splitting. Some rows have the name first, and others have the number first. Since the slash stays between the two pieces but the order changes, text to columns would separate the data while still mixing names and numbers into the wrong output columns. Create the two output labels. Click cell B1 and type Name. Press Tab to move into C1. In C1, type Number, then press Enter. Click cell B2. Enter the name formula shown on screen. If you copy it, make sure it refers to the mixed value in column A on the same row, and adjust that reference only if your workbook starts in a different row. Press Enter, and the name from row 2 should appear in B2. The formula grabs the piece before the slash as B, and the piece after the slash as A. The double negative on it tests whether the after piece is a number. If it is, the formula returns B, otherwise it returns A. Click C2. Enter the number formula shown on screen. Use the same source cell in column A and adjust the reference only if your file needs it. Press Enter, and the number from row 2 should appear in C2. This formula uses the same numeric test but returns the opposite side. If the after piece is numeric, it returns that piece. If not, it returns the piece before the slash. Now fill both formulas down. Select B2 through C2 by clicking B2 and dragging across to C2. Move your pointer to the fill handle, the small green square at the bottom right corner of the selection. Double-click it, and Excel fills both formulas down to row 11, matching the length of column A. Scan column B, and make sure each filled cell contains a name. Scan column C, and make sure each filled cell contains a number. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. To convert the number column to real numbers, select C2 through C11. Click the small yellow warning icon next to the selection. From the drop-down, choose Convert to Number. The values in column C should right align, confirming Excel is storing them as numbers for some calculations, sorting, or charts.